In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft's Copilot feature in Outlook to enhance your email experience, making it smoother and more efficient. Now, before we dive into this, let's ensure that you actually have access to Copilot. Copilot is a fantastic tool, but you'll need a few things in place first. To get started, you must have a Microsoft 365 account, typically provided through work or school. Additionally, make sure that Copilot is either enabled or licensed on your account. Without these, you won't be able to take advantage of what Copilot has to offer. Once your setup is confirmed, let's explore where you can find Copilot within Outlook. You'll encounter this helpful assistant in various places. Primarily, you'll see a Copilot button within the Compose window when you're creating a new email. This feature is available in the new Outlook on desktop and Outlook on the web, making it quite accessible. Furthermore, if you're viewing an existing email thread, look out for the Summarize button, which is another aspect of Copilot's functionality. Additionally, you'll notice a Copilot chat panel either on the top bar or the sidebar, appearing contextually when it's deemed useful. Now let's explore how you can use Copilot to write emails, which is perhaps its most popular and utilized feature. To begin crafting an email, click on the New Email button. Once you're in the Compose window, you'll see the Copilot option, where you can choose Draft with Copilot. Here, let your creativity guide you as you type in a prompt. For instance, you might say, write a professional reply confirming meeting at 3 p.m. Once you've entered your prompt, Copilot will generate a draft for you, essentially creating a complete email from your simple idea. If you're not entirely satisfied with the first draft, don't fret. There's an option to either edit the draft yourself or ask Copilot to regenerate and craft another version for you. Beyond drafting emails, Copilot can also be a valuable tool for improving or rewriting existing emails. If you're in the process of composing an email and feel that it needs a touch of refinement, click on the Copilot option and choose Coaching. This feature provides suggestions to enhance your email, offering recommendations for a better tone, improved clarity, or even shorter or longer versions of your message, depending on your needs. There you have it, a straightforward way to utilize Microsoft Copilot in Outlook to streamline your email communications. Whether you're drafting a new message or refining an existing one, Copilot is designed to assist you in achieving professional and polished results with ease. We hope this has been an enlightening and practical walkthrough for you. Thanks for tuning in.